Hello guys, welcome to Eternal Box. In this video we are going to learn MIN IFS and MAX IFS function. The difference between MIN and MIN IFS function: if you have one condition to find out the minimum value in your database, then you can use MIN function. But if you have multiple conditions to find out the minimum value in your database, then you need to use MIN IFS function. Similarly, if you want to find out the maximum value in your database with one condition, then you need to use MAX function. But if you have multiple conditions to find out the maximum value, then you need to use MAX IFS function. Before I start my video further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my all future videos notification. I have this database in which I have co-center, department, gender, employee name and their basic salaries. So in our first scenario, I want to know the minimum basic salaries with gender wise and co-center wise. So here I have two conditions. Firstly co-center and secondly gender. So here I will use MIN IFS function equal MIN IFS bracket. So here the first argument is minimum range. So I want to know the minimum basic salaries, that is why this will be our minimum range. I want to fix with $, comma. The second argument is criteria range 1. So our first criteria is co-center. So here I will select this column and fix by $, comma. Then the third argument is criteria 1. So what will be our criteria? Co-center. I will select this co-center, then comma. Now the next argument is criteria range 2. So I want to know the minimum salary by gender wise and co-center wise. So gender is our second criteria range. So I will select the gender column and fix by $, comma. The criteria is gender. So I will select the gender here and fix by $, bracket close and press enter. And you can see I got the minimum salary by co-center wise and by gender wise. If I go to this database, this is our co-center, and here you can see the second criteria female, and this is our minimum salary 2095. So here you can find the same. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see I got the minimum salary by co-center wise and gender wise. So if I change the gender here from female to male, and you can see I got the minimum salaries by co-center wise for male gender. So in this way you can find minimum value with multiple conditions. In our second scenario, I want to find out the maximum value by co-center wise and gender wise. So here we have two conditions again, and we have to use the MAX IFS function equal MAX IFS bracket. The first argument max range, so I will select the basic salary columns and fix by $, comma. The criteria range 1 co-center, so I will select this and fix by $, comma. The criteria 1, which will be our co-center, comma. Then criteria range 2, which is gender, I will select this and fix by $, comma. And this is our criteria 2 and fix by $, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I found the maximum value with the co-center wise and gender wise. So I will go to this co-center, and this is female second criteria, and you can see this is the maximum value by female and co-center wise. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and here we found out the maximum value co-center wise and gender wise. So if I change the gender by female to male, and you can see I got the basic salary by co-center wise and male wise. So in this way you can use the MIN IFS function and MAX IFS function. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thank you very much.